I love to feed and I love to serve. I just realized I was always the hub where all my friends would come. It was so funny when I opened my restaurant, all my friends said, duh, this is what you love to do. And I was really, really proud. You know, you just never know what you want to do when you start off. And it has just been one of those things that I realized it has brought me to my true calling, because I truly, truly enjoy to feed souls through food, culture, and travel. And to be able to live that, I'm just so grateful. Our restaurant concept is really based on where I grew up, which is in Bangkok, Thailand. And 20 years ago when we came over here, I was like, we're really missing the street style flavors that I really grew up with. So we wanted to open something like that here in Dallas, Texas, where you can have friendly service, beautiful, nice, clean environment, and also fresh flavors in beautiful white plates. Asian Mint has been around since 2004. We're really proud of what we serve the community. We have 5 locations across Dallas, Texas, and the popular favorite dishes, of course, we have our pad thai, red curry, fried rice, pad khee mao. We have everything for everyone, and we've been named the best Thai restaurant here in the Dallas area, and we're really, really proud of it. What truly inspired me to do what I do today is really the culture and the background that I grew up in. My nanny, honestly, my grandmother from both sides, from Thailand and from America. I always was living in their kitchen, and I was always the kid who was always just hanging around the stove. And because of that, it has really instilled in me like how to look at food in a different perspective. It really honestly brings so much joy to me and everyone that I get to feed. So I thank, you know, my heritage on all my sides in the world. And it has just been one of those things that got instilled in me, everything about food. It just really truly feeds my soul, and I really enjoy doing that for everyone else. I grew up in Bangkok, so definitely Bangkok is what influenced my culinary journey from the beginning. I grew up in Thailand, 15 years. Thai is really my first language. English is my second. I am a Thai Texan at heart. And just being around those fresh kitchens where we get to smell lemongrass and cilantro and fresh lime juice every day, those chili peppers. I mean, that has really infused like in my brain and my taste buds to just continue to create those flavor profiles that really burst in your mouth, just takes you into a different country, just like Thailand. One of my favorite dishes of all time is duck noodle soup, Kway Teow Pet. My dad would go out and buy it at 10 p.m. at night, and that's like our soul food that we truly enjoy. So duck has been really a part of my family heritage, my daily life, what I connect with my family with. It truly is the duck breast. Also, I have a lot of Chinese in me. So Peking duck, roast duck. We eat so much duck in every single way. So being able to provide that here in Dallas is just also a dream come true. What I love about duck is really the flavor profile is more than poultry, not as heavy as red meat. It's full of iron, super healthy, and it just really is comforting for me. It balances well with all our dishes that we use to create the duck dish with. It just has this like perfect balance for creating really, really fun, yummy dishes. My favorite product from Maple Leaf Farm is the sous vide duck breast. We are able to use it across all of our 5 locations, and we have the consistency that our Mint fanatics look forward to. Through my Chef Nikky brand, we now have an amazing sauce line that we sell in our local supermarkets and on our website. We are really proud to be able to share the love of cooking Thai cuisine. Super easy, super yummy, and even with our cookbook, it is gonna be so fun for everyone to enjoy, even outside of the Dallas area. I'm Chef Nikky, and this is my ducktail.